Hello guys, so I want to make a tutorial of shaking emoji, then let's go. First, get back and then put this and then back and then check and then put this white on and get this black and this and put this again and there, put this up and get some emoji, beautiful, and just adjust the size there and put this A on again and get the black and turn it off again in A, then put at the front too and then shake your phone. It looks very gorgeous. Look, very good. Bye. See you in my next account video. Bye.